drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing and me no play that. Me I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing and me no play that. Him have the rum and all the sorrow. Him have to drink away him sorrow. Guess him not care about tomorrow. I guess me not care about tomorrow. Me I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing and me no play that. Him I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing and me no play that. Him I
Okay, hi guys. As you can see from like the vlogs, I didn't really vlog every single day, or it wasn't like enough footage to make like one complete vlog, so maybe I only have like 2 or 3 vlogs, and like the different days are just like incorporated into like one video, because I didn't vlog a lot because I really didn't do anything, because practically like this whole entire trip it rained for like at least a week. Like almost every day it rained. And you know, when it rains, you can't really do anything. You can't go to the beach, the river, whatever. But nonetheless, I still enjoyed myself. This trip is a trip that I will never, ever, 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 ever forget, honestly. By far one of my favorite trips in Jamaica that I ever took. So with that being said, my flight is at 4:55. It is about 10 o'clock now, and we're gonna leave the place at about 11 to reach the airport around maybe 1-ish, and then, you know, check in like 2 hours before or whatever. But yeah, I'm not gonna reach home until like about midnight tonight. Today is January 8th, by the way. 2018. Wow. New year, yeah. So I just finished packing, you know, packing back all of my suitcases, getting ready, doing my makeup, getting my hair all situated and stuff, and I'm ready to go. I just wanted to like show you guys, not show, but like I just wanted to tell you guys what was going on, and like how the vlogs might seem like all out of place with like different days and just like one clip there or one clip there. But yeah, that's why, because I didn't really do a lot on during this trip, or I didn't get to like vlog everything. Yeah, because I barely did anything. I just slept, relaxed. That was it. Nothing really worth vlogging, but you guys saw like a couple of things, a couple of laughs maybe towards the beginning, like on Christmas Day. But yeah, so I'm just gonna watch some Netflix and wait until about 11 o'clock to leave out. And if I vlog anything else, like going through the airport or anything, then you guys will see me. If not, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlogs. The airport is like so freaking cool. So many people, huh? Like 8:30, I think, or 8 o'clock. 8? Anyways, so yeah, it feels full up. Alright, so I just reached my gate, and I'm not boarding until 5 o'clock, and it's not even 2:30 yet. So yeah, the airport was full of people. The security line was long, but it moved very quickly. So yeah, I'm not boarding until 5, and I'm connecting through Fort Lauderdale. I'm not reaching Buffalo, New York until like about midnight tonight. So I have 3 hours to spare right now. I stopped at KFC on my way here, so I'm gonna eat my sandwich and my fries and buy something to drink. And yeah, probably watch some Netflix. So that's what I'll be doing. Alright guys, so I was supposed to leave at 4:45, and now the flight got delayed, and now we're not gonna leave until 5:50, so that's a whole nother hour that we have to go wait again. It's like 3:30 right now. And then I just put on this pink long sleeve because I was getting cold because the AC is on. And now I'm here inputting the videos on my laptop. See if I can get some editing done. Alright guys, I just landed in the Buffalo airport. I nearly missed my flight from Florida because we were going through customs and everything. We reached customs like at 7:40, and like our flight from Florida to Buffalo was like at 8:30, and they were boarding at 8 o'clock, and like we were rushing, but we couldn't do anything because the line was long, and no one like would let us like get ahead or whatever. They were talking about they were gonna hold the flight for us, so we thought we were all good. Then we had like all these like airport staff and everyone like rushing up to us. Oh, are you guys like going to Buffalo? Are you like the last people or whatever? And we were like, yeah. And then like they came and got us. They rushed us. We were running to the gate and everything. Like, this was like the first time ever, like in my whole entire like travel history, that like I nearly missed the flight. Like seriously, like they were like, the gate is like about to close. The gate is about to close. When we got on the plane, all the seats were like completely full. We were rushing around looking for a seat because you know Southwest is open seating. So yeah. So now we are in Buffalo. We just stopped to use the bathroom because I had to use the bathroom since Florida, but I don't like using the bathroom on the plane because I hate bothering people, and I got a middle seat and I hate middle seats, so that makes it even worse. So yeah, we're walking to baggage claim now. We would have got off sooner, but there was complication on the plane. I was sitting in the back, and like a couple rows before me, a lady, she was having like complications, like she couldn't breathe or whatever, so like paramedics had to come on the plane. They had to get her, and then we got off. So yeah, we're going to baggage claim. It's like just a little over midnight right now. I am so tired, very tired. Here back in Buffalo in the freaking freezing cold. I don't have no jacket or anything, so I have to just rush into the car. But yeah, going to baggage claim, get the bags. My aunt is coming to pick us up. You guys met her already. So yeah, I'll probably end the vlog here or when I get home. But yeah, we're just on our way to baggage claim. All right, so well, first of all, there go my aunt. As soon as she comes, she take up one snack and start eat. Can I try it? You know, I'm gonna bring up nothing from Jamaica besides banana chips and sausage. Jesus Christ, you gonna watch all your talk to you like them.
Maybe his name?
But you didn't know the same person. I go by it, yeah, I'm sitting them anyways. So we just picked up the bags, and we checked on 4 bags, but we only see 3. So that means the other 4th bag is missing, lost on another plane, don't know where it is. And that's the bag that we like really care about because that's where like the ackee and breadfruit and everything in there. We brought up a whole bunch of ackee. You know, the ackee, I gotta get soft and mushy, so it's not gonna be firm, and it needs a freezer because remember, we're coming from Jamaica, it's hot. Plus we were connected in Fort Lauderdale, it's hot. It's underneath the plane, which is hot. So yeah, we're sorting out that right now, trying to see where the bag is and if they can locate it and if we can get it tonight so we can go home and like freeze it or whatever, the ackee and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. My grandmother is so heated and frustrated. She said she wish her clothes luggage got lost than her ackee and food or whatever, which is understandable because you know people go to Jamaica just to bring it back up. So yeah, we're here. It is freaking freezing. I left this in my aunt's truck when we were coming, so I got it back because I was cold. Why is she looking at me so weird? Oh yeah, I'm ready too, and I'm ready to go home. We'll lie down, take off my face. Why is she looking at me so weird? Jesus. You missed me? You have to look yours and not there, so. Hey, camera. Yes?
Hi. Hi, yo.
Okay. Can you come follow me, Boom Boom? So now we're supposed to look for like this baggage receipt. She claims that I have it. I probably do because I was handling the passports and everything. But like oh, he's still there, so hopefully I could go look. Please don't drive off so I can see if I have the baggage receipt or she has the baggage receipt. It's like really freezing outside. I still wish I was in Jamaica right now. Good night. The baggage claim receipt. You can't just type in the person's name. I don't know. I'm not gonna curse or say anything because I don't know how the system works. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go home, shower, take my ass to sleep, and knock out. And they're still outside. Okay. Guys, I'm so mad. Like, this nail came off, and this nail came off. I hit my hand up against the wall. My nail broke. I was taking a shower, scrubbing myself, and another nail broke. And then another one, it just fell off, man. I'm so heated. But I'm going to try to glue back on two because two of them came off, like, perfectly, and another one just, like, broke off and chipped up. So I'm going to be ghetto and try and see if I can do that. If not, then oh well. When they drop off, they drop off. So, yeah. Okay, I'm about to end this right here. Then when I get home, I'm going to tell you guys good night. So she just filled out an incident report, and they said there's another flight coming in from Florida at 1:35 today, I guess. This morning, maybe. I don't know. So maybe the bag got left, and it's coming on that flight. So they will give us a call. So yeah, but man, the devil is so strong. Why does it have to be that bad where like all the important stuff is the one that got lost? Like seriously? Oh my God, I just hope everything is okay and the Aki does not spoil or melt. So yeah. Alright guys, it is 2:30 in the morning. Got into the house, all situated. Things are like packed away. Not the clothes, but like the food kind. Wiped off my face and everything, washed it and stuff. Now I'm about to go to bed because I'm super, super, super tired. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the vlogs and the clips and footages that I was able to capture from this trip. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned with for more videos from me.
Girl, you grab piece of me out anytime and you wine for me. Oh yeah. Girl, you grab piece of me out anytime and you wine for me. Oh yeah. Girl, you grab piece of me out anytime and you wine for me. Let me heartless. Let me heartless. Well I know. Girl, cock up inna me bed.